Hello, my name is Randy Dobson. I'm an instructor here in the Houston, Texas area, and this video will be covering the rotate command in Autocad. If you've watched some other videos on copy and move, you know that after you select the objects it asks for a base point. Well, rotation has a similar thing. When you rotate something, you have to have a point of rotation. Okay, if I was to ask you in our solar system, and any astronomers out there, please don't email me to correct this. I know it's not right, but for talking purpose, let's just say all the planets go around the sun in a circular pattern. What is the rotation point of the planets in the universe, in our universe? Which it would be the center of the sun. So I'm going to come up here to rotate. It's going to ask me to select my objects. I'm going to select these planets. When I'm done selecting, I hit enter and see it's asking for a base point. So I'm going to go to the center of my circle and see now as it's rotating around the sun, for a year, that is the rotation point of it. Okay, so that's very, you don't want to pick these planets and say the rotation point's somewhere right here, because then you're going to have some planets go into the sun and burn up. So the rotation point is very specific. If you take a day in the on the Earth rotates in 24 hours. What is the rotation point of the Earth? It is the center of the Earth. So I'm going to go rotate. Here's the Earth. I'm going to pick the center. And of course, you can't see a circle rotate, but this is rotating on its own. I'm going to grab those lines. See, I'm rotating. This is, here's, you know, so many hours, 12 hours, 24 hours, and so on. So it's all rotates around the center, where here's the moon. If I want to rotate the moon, it's based off of the center of the Earth. Okay, so where the rotation is can be critical. Now sometimes you might just want to, maybe you've got an ellipse and you just need it at 45 degrees. Not a big deal. Go to rotate. Down here it says select your object. Select a base point, and I'm going to go negative 45 because I want it to rotate back, and there I'm done. Now I can move it to wherever I need to. A lot of times it's used for text. Say that you've got text up here. And I want to rotate it to fit, say, this line right here. I could come along here, and I've actually got another a newer command called align that will help you with this, but just to kind of show you, go rotate. I pick my text, then I just pick right here and I kind of line it up with that line there, and there I've rotated it. Okay, fairly simple command, but remembering that your base point, your rotation point, is very, very critical. Again, if I wanted to rotate these lines in this text to stay all in the circle, rotate, I want to select all of these. I would have to pick the center of the circle to keep it all in the center of the circle. Otherwise, if I go to rotate, I pick all of this, and I'm going to kind of eyeball it. Oh, there's the center there. Well, as you can see, that line there goes out, goes in, so it's not rotating. And then if I want to stop, then I've got a messed up drawing. So just remember that your base point whenever you rotate off something. And also remember that, and I'm just going to let's see if I can draw something here real quick. That when you rotate going this way, I'm just going to do something here real quick, is a positive, and if you rotate to the right, it's a negative. So here's a negative. You have to put a negative in the number. Okay, whoops. Let me get that back over there. So if I want to rotate This ellipse, I have to use a negative number, and then over here I just use a positive or just a regular number. So if I rotate this, I pick this ellipse and I pick right here, and I want it to go that way, I have to give it a negative number. So I would say negative 50. But if I wanted it to go back the other way, I could go rotate, click here and type 45, and it's going to swing to the left. So the main thing to take away from this rotation or rotate command is the critical thing is where you place your base point to where it's rotating. Okay, understanding that, and using, if you need an exact, you would use your O snaps, which you probably already watched the video, but if not, that's okay. If I take this line and I go rotate, and I rotate it on the midpoint of this line, and I go 45, well, there I've done it 45, but that midpoint is still the same midpoint. It didn't swing out or anything like that. So give that a try. Shoot me any questions if you have any problems with that. And that concludes this video on rotate. Thank you.